Hello, everyone. Today caught my attention. One of the most trending stocks right now is TTOO, and I just wanted to look at the chart, see what I see. And yes, I've seen this before. We've been in this, and it's really picking up hype. So let's get straight into it. I want to make this fast and simple so you guys can understand what I'm seeing here. So here's the chart for TTOO, and I always look at the daily. It's the most best thing for me. So I labeled some buy zones where I took it. There was only one, and then some sell zones, and then your no trade zone, and then I'm waiting for a buy zone to appear. For me, a buy zone is when the candle gets under my band. And then when this first candle gets under my band, then I look for a good entry price with my other indicators, like the KDJ, RSI. That's just a overall feel to see how overbought and undersold it is. But I also have a trading view indicator I use over here, and you can kind of see when these green and red dots appear. So over here, we did get a green dot right here where I entered, and then it went up a lot. It went up, wow, 42%. But yeah, so right about here, you do not get into a trade till it is under the bottom band. And this is your Keltner, and I customized the settings to this, and it'll all be in the Discord that I'll post a link in the description and in the comments section so you guys get in, and it's completely free. I do not need to charge money from people when I'm honestly making money from the market is the best way to do it. Once you get good at this is like a cash cow. The market is just constantly bringing in profits, and it's the best lifestyle you can ever get. So, as you can see, under the bands, we look for our buy zone, and we get this big green candle to reset it because it has to go to the mean. Price always hits this blue band here. It will always hit. So it gets undersold, and then it creeps to go up to this middle band. This was actually a decent swing trade right here. Under the band, you sell it. Now, let's get to the current data. We are in a no sell zone. Every time it gets, it's the opposite. Every time it gets above the band, there's going to be a sharp sell off. Just like under the band, it's going to be some influx of buyers. So we get two big sell zones right here, and now we're back into the middle band. Price always goes back to the middle band. Remember that. And as we are in a no trade zone, I don't want to be a buyer and I don't want to be a seller. It's going to go drastically up or it's going to go drastically down. My thesis, after doing some research, I think it will go drastically up due to the all the news and the hype, and but I don't know that. I'm not 100% sure. If I did, I would put my whole bank account in this. But we're in a no trade zone. I want to wait till it gets to the green line. And no, the price is not going to get to this negative here. This, as you can see, the bands are so inflated here that it's going to take time for me to even get a buy zone. It's going to take a while. But yeah, there is your TA, technical analysis. I just want people to be aware because I see people saying, oh, every time it drops 2 cents, I'm buying, 4 cents, I'm buying. I'm buying at every level it drops. You are going to be bag holding really big if this turns against you. This thing went from 0.05 of a low all the way up to 70 cents. Be the buyer right here where I initiated. This is the buy zone. You'll be a whole lot more safer than buying up in these areas. I'll post the Discord. Here is my Discord. We have a stock talk watch list where I go over what I'm looking for, and then the trade alerts. We get, we've recently made money on pod calls. We traded BTR, we traded AMC on that big spike. STRL coming up, HE. But we look for the tops. I try to catch the most precise top, and I try to catch the most precise bottom with a lot of indicators and past like history, looking at fundamentals and news. And that is the best way to do it. I do not want people to randomly buy. I want people to be realizing you're in a very risky spot here. And that way you know if I'm buying these dips, you're basically hoping is, and I don't believe hope is a strategy. I really don't. If it's like going to the casino, you're just hoping to make money here. You want to be putting the odds in your favor. So wait for my buy zone appear. Join my Discord. You'll know my best reversals, my watch list, when I take an entry, why I take it, all my settings and my strategy, and then constantly improving things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe because I'm recently starting to upload things now that I've back tested something and really got a handle from going a negative P&L and now we're going up in a P&L. And that's what I want to see, people. You can definitely go negative to positive as long as you have a trade plan, a strategy that works, and do not gamble. Right here, this is a perfect spot where you're basing your trades on hope, and all it takes is one bad trade to blow up your account. Do not be that person. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll put the Discord. It's free. I don't need to make money off of people. I make so much, from the market that anybody that tries to sell you a course, they're just trying to make money off of you. I don't want that. I want to teach you how to make money and not take money from you guys. Anyways, like the video. I will keep posting videos like this. Enjoy your Labor Day weekend.